Hey guys, welcome back to Dishing Up Becky. In today's recipe, I'm sharing how I make this simple and delicious fried spinach mixed with cabbage. So welcome guys, let's start preparing. I have my one bunch of spinach that costed me 20 shillings, and then I have the quarter cabbage, and then I have 3 carrots, which is about 10 shillings, and I have one large onion. I'm gonna be using only these 3 ingredients. Stick around and see how I'm gonna be frying them. It looks easy, but you have to do it perfect for you to get a good result, or tasty veggies. So in case you're new here, welcome guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. My channel is a cooking channel, so make sure you subscribe if you love cooking. So this healthy vegetable dish is quick to prepare. As you can see, it's just cutting, and then we get them in the jiko. So stick around and let me show you how to do it. So it's full of flavor and perfect to serve with ugali. So stick around, you see what my accompaniment will be for these vegetables. You can serve with ugali, rice, or even chapati. You can have it with those who want to cut their weight. You can have this veg with meat only, yeah, and you'll be satisfied and you keep you fit. So it's full of flavor and perfect to serve with the starch I've told you. The combination of the fresh spinach and the tender cabbage creates a nutritious and colorful side dish that's perfect for lunch or even dinner. If you love easy homemade recipes, guys, this is a place to be. This is easy to prepare, so make sure you watch the whole video so that you have an idea of a recipe that you can use at home. So at this point, we're cutting the spinach. As you can see, you have to have a sharp knife. So let's continue cutting. For the carrots, I'm gonna be grating them. So guys, stick around, let's cook this meal. So guys, at this point you're cutting the onion so that you can start cooking. So these vegetables, they are very cheap. Anyone can be able to prepare, and they are very healthy. And if you want to lose weight, this is an ideal meal that you can prepare for yourself. So at this point, let's start frying. We're gonna start by frying the onion. Add a bit of oil and then salt so that you can make the onion get cooked fast. So when you finish frying the onion, you can see they are cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and add cabbages first. We cook them for 2 minutes before we add spinach and the carrots, because for spinach they are a bit soft than the cabbages. I'm gonna cook for 2 minutes and then add the spinach and the carrots. So this is a very cheap recipe and affordable. So at this point you're going to add the spinach and the carrots together, then we cook them for 3 minutes, and then will be everything will be cooked. And make sure they are the ones that you cook last. First you cook the starch, then if you're using protein, you cook the protein second, and then the spinach should be, the veggies should be the last one to cook, so that you can enjoy the flavor and the freshness. So guys, as you can see, our veggies are done. We don't have to overcook them. At this point they are done. Let me show you the accompaniments. So we're going I boiled this chicken, so I'm gonna be frying it, and I'm gonna spice it up because I did not spice the veggies. So the spices and the tomatoes are gonna come in this fried chicken. So I'm gonna be frying it with tomatoes, and I'm gonna cook just a few pieces because just for 3 packs. That's ginger and garlic, and fried ginger and garlic. I fried tomatoes with onion, ginger, garlic, and those are the spices that I added. They are black pepper, I have paprika, cinnamon, and yeah, as you can see, we're gonna leave them cook well, and then we add our beef, not beef, our chicken, just few pieces for the packs that I'm cooking for. Then you're gonna stir, but you have to let your spices cook. You leave your spices cook well before you add the chicken, because the chicken is already cooked, and my soup will be the chicken soup. That's what I'm gonna use to fry for the soup, for the chicken soup. So I'll finish with dhania, and my chicken is ready for now. And then, as you can see, it looks yummy. Yeah. And the starch, I'm gonna cook so there you go with the chicken. It looks really nice. Yeah, yummy. It's a kienyeji chicken. Then I'm gonna cook ugali for the accompaniment. So that will be the dinner for my family. So guys, if you love this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Have you ever cooked such a meal? Can you try such a recipe? So this is what I wanted to share, the recipe for veggies. Thank you so much guys for watching, and let me see you on another one. Bye bye guys. Thank you.